Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this Plant Caddy from the manufacturer, Kedsum, to do a review. So let's take a closer look at it. It has a minor assembly and we'll give it a try. You can use a plant base that is 15 inches maximum in diameter or 20 inches in diameter. So I'm going to go ahead and place these to accommodate no more than a 15-inch diameter. I'll go ahead Okay, this is the 15-inch diameter maximum for the inside. This is a very heavy-duty Plant Caddy made by Kedsum. It has the black powder coat on all sides. You have the anti-tipping casters or wheels on each side. And then on this one side, you have the brakes that you'll just kick down with your feet and it'll keep the caddy in place. Okay, the caddy is about 4 inches from the surface, probably about 4.3 if you count this rib here. It's 12.7 inches by 17 inches. The manufacturer says it has an 800-pound capacity, so it's quite a bit of weight that it can withstand. So on the 20-inch side, it'll hang a little bit wider than this 17. It'll extend up to the 20 inches inside diameter. Okay, you have all 10 bolts installed to make it accommodate a 20-inch diameter plant or pot. You can see that's a pretty big pot. It only requires to expand it to have these 3 bolts on each side. And then you have 2 empty holes. The manufacturer says to go ahead and put these bolts in the sockets, screw them in the sockets to keep rainwater out to prevent rust. And then they'll be here also when you want to reduce it to the 15-inch. So let's reduce it to the 15-inch and then we'll give it a try. Okay, as you can see, I've placed the potted flowers onto the dolly. First thing you want to do is lock in the wheels. And it's locked in. Placing this on the dolly has the benefit of moving it out from one location to another. For instance, if it's going to rain or you want more sunshine, then you just simply release the brakes. And with one hand, you can easily move it to its location. And just simply lock the brakes. Very easy. Here's another potted flowers on the dolly. You're ready to put it out where the rain and sunshine can be more available. Just roll it out and lock the wheels. This is a very easy dolly to use. It'll save your back. And again, it'll support up to 800 pounds. This is a 15-inch diameter and you can expand it to the 20-inch diameter. So this is a very heavy-duty dolly for carrying large and medium flower pots. Easy to roll on surfaces and have the locking wheels. So I recommend this from Kedsum.